Hi all, welcome to the PSQSPS channel. In this series of videos, we are discussing on how we can play with web elements using Selenium and Java. Within this video, let's discuss how we can play with text areas which is available in a web page. For example, I will take this sample web page. So let's discuss how we can enter a value to this text field. Let's say if I want to add enter the text like admin here. So let's discuss how we can do that. So I have already piece of code already written to open up the web driver. If you want to get to know about in these details, you can refer into my previous videos. And okay, then let's discuss how we can handle this. So first of all, we have to open up this particular web page, and here how we can grab the web element. In the sense, you can right click on the web page in the Chrome browser and you can click on the inspect. Just click on this element picker, then click on this particular web element that you want to handle. Here the particular area is getting highlighted in this term structure. So you can see several properties are available in this section. So I'm going to handle this web element using ID property. So what is whatever the fields which is identified as name is going to be handled with this piece of code. So I know this value, ID should be name. So that's the value that I'm going to use here. So here, first of all, I need to create a web element here. Web element, text, field, name should be then driver find elements, then I have to mention by which one I am going to use. It's the ID. By using ID only, I am going to pick this element. What is the value of this ID? In the sense, that is name. See, ID is name, simple name. That's it. Okay, now I have successfully grabbed this text field called name. So what I want to do here is I just want to add value for this one. In that case, I'm going to send keys. This is the function that you have to use in order to type something in this text field. Send keys. What's the value that I am going to use? Enter to this field is admin. Okay. Same like that. I'll do one another example. So it's another text field called email. You can do the same thing for this one as well. The email, the ID should be email. Same like that. If you want, you can add value for that field as well. Just a matter of changing these fields. Right, because that ID is email. Okay. I'm going to use one dummy email address like admin at gmail.com. Okay. Text field email. Okay. That is how we can add values to this text field. So after that we have to close the browser. How we can close that browser in the sense that is driver quit. That is how you can close the browser. Okay. Now let's try to run this piece of code. It will open up the web browser, web driver, then that is closing very fastly. So in order to wait some time, I'll add some wait here. Thread sleep. I'll put 5 seconds of waiting time before closing the browser. Let's rerun this again. See, that is getting tight. After 5 seconds, that the browser will be closed automatically. That is how it is working. So that is what I'm going to cover in this piece of video. So in the next video, let's discuss how we can handle with other elements like radio buttons, drop downs, that sort of things. Let's discuss in upcoming videos. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.